Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Certain medications can trigger or worsen a persistent cough. ACE inhibitors, commonly used for blood pressure, often cause a dry, persistent cough. Beta blockers and some asthma treatments might also affect your cough reflex. If your cough starts or worsens after taking a new medication, talk to your doctor. They can adjust your treatment to help ease it.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.